Pre-flight this sucker. The Horizon Hobby Turbo Timber Evolution. My first plane. See what's up. I'm gonna try it. Ta-da! Okay. Flying. Yeah. It hit the building, but it's okay. Yeah. But it's, no. Huh? Yeah, don't bump it though.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Holding it. Is that okay?
I'm cruising. It's easier than a helicopter. It's light, the wind picks up. Not bad, huh? For an old man who breaks helicopters for a living. Go fast if it wants to. It's climbing. You can see it landing. See, I can fly this damn thing. Here we go, timber time. Just takes off, man. It's turns on a dime. Look at that. Whee! Needs another battery. Let me fly one more battery. It's only like 5 minutes.
I don't know why enchiladas just sounded good.
Second batteries. Oh yeah, they always sound good.
Landing flap. Flaps up.
There we go. Just putting along. Meow. I'm just going slow because this field's not big.
Fly out further that way.
Yeah. Just cruising altitude. Cool, huh? It's
I like the way it's smooth.
it's enjoyable. It's well, look, see, there's a feature that teaches you how to fly. Once I get brave, I can take that off. Meow. I didn't think it'd be this easy. Helicopters are freaking hard. It's like balancing a ball on a back of a bowl. This one's just cruising. Don't get me wrong, this can go for quite quick. This can go loops and all kinds of crap.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Not right now though. No flaps on this one. Woo! It's flying. Got a landing there, Eleanor. Here we go. Turbo timber. Let's enjoy it. I hope I get the video. This is just the right size too, huh? It's climbing. See, it's quick takeoff. You don't need a runway. You can just freaking take off.
Right.
Oh, hey. Don't get in the corn. Okay, I got my flying fix off now. And in their toys, huh?
Right.
Huh? You need to stop being grumpy. We're almost done. Thanks for having this moment with me. Thanks for having this moment with me. I don't get you. I'm safe. You know me. One more. Well, this does pretty... I did better than I thought I would. Just gliding in there. Ooh. Oh wait, I better come in. Here comes the rain. Coming in for landing.